This is our 2005 GMC Sierra 1500. It is the crew cab with a 5.3 liter V8 automatic transmission and four-wheel drive drivetrain. The exterior is finished in a very nice gray metallic, has aluminum alloy wheels, it has the Z71 package, towing package, dual exhaust. Sounds great. Spray-in bed liner. The interior has lots of options here. Power windows and locks, heated seats, and this is the memory seats. So you can have two set positions. Bose premium sound system, leather upholstery, power driver seat and passenger seat. There is a little bit of wear, as you can see, but it's still a great truck. Four-wheel drive. Oops. And there's lots of room back here.